If you're over 60, airlines owe you perks they never mention, from free escorts to secret discounts. Picture this. You walk up to the airline counter, flash your ID showing you're over 65, and suddenly, doors start opening that you never knew existed. Free wheelchair escorts through security, priority boarding ahead of first-class passengers, hidden discounts that can save you hundreds. And the best part? Airlines are desperately hoping you never find out about any of this. I'm about to blow the lid off 7 completely free airport perks that every traveler over 60 can claim right now. But here's the catch. You have to know exactly what to ask for and how to ask for it. These benefits could transform your next flight from stressful chaos into smooth sailing, but the airlines make billions by keeping you in the dark. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the insider knowledge and exact phrases that unlock privileges most travelers never even dream of. Let's start with the most powerful perk that can revolutionize your entire airport experience. Free personal assistance through the entire airport, even if you can walk perfectly fine. Here's what the airlines desperately hope you never discover. Wheelchair assistance isn't limited to people who cannot walk. If you're over 60 and experience any mobility challenges, whether that's tired legs after a long day, difficulty carrying heavy bags, concerns about navigating massive airport terminals, or simply wanting to avoid the stress and crowds, you qualify for completely complimentary personal assistance. The airline industry keeps this under wraps because every single assistance request costs them real money. They must assign dedicated staff members, coordinate complex logistics, and prioritize your journey above other passengers. But here's the beautiful part that they can't hide. This service is federally mandated. They literally cannot refuse your request. When booking your flight, simply request mobility assistance. You can specify ambulatory assistance, which means you can walk but need support with distances or luggage. This single request unlocks a VIP experience that includes a personal escort through security checkpoints, access to shorter security lines, priority boarding that happens before even premium passengers, direct transportation to your departure gate, help managing your carry-on luggage, and assistance getting to your assigned seat. But here's an insider secret that could save you money. You can request this assistance for only one direction of your trip. Planning a vacation where you'll feel energetic for the return flight? Only request outbound assistance. The choice is entirely yours, and there's no additional cost either way. Now let's talk about a security perk that most seniors have no idea they're entitled to. If you're 75 or older, you automatically receive modified security screening privileges without ever applying for expensive programs like TSA PreCheck. No background investigation, no in-person interview, and definitely no $78 fee. Here's how this works in practice. Passengers who are 75 and up can keep their shoes and lightweight jackets on during the screening process. While you might still pass through standard metal detectors, you receive many of the same conveniences as PreCheck members without any of the hassle or expense. But there's an even better part that TSA keeps quiet about. When security lines are particularly long and you're 75 or older, politely mentioning your age to any TSA officer often results in being directed to shorter lines or receiving additional assistance. They have discretionary power to make your experience smoother, and they frequently use it. The reasoning behind this makes perfect sense from TSA's perspective. Senior travelers statistically present lower security risks and tend to move more slowly through standard screening procedures. Streamlining the process for seniors actually improves efficiency for everyone involved. They just don't advertise this widely because younger travelers would inevitably try to take advantage. Speaking of things airlines don't advertise, let's expose the hidden discount system that could slash your ticket prices. Most major airlines maintain senior discount programs, but they've buried these deals deeper than ancient treasure. The reason is simple economics. They'd much rather collect full price from uninformed travelers and only offer reductions when specifically requested by knowledgeable customers. Here's your insider strategy guide. American Airlines provides 10% discounts on select routes for passengers 65 and older, but you must call their dedicated senior booking line directly. Their online booking system won't display these reduced prices. United Airlines offers senior discounts on specific routes, but these rates aren't published on their website. You must call and explicitly ask about senior fare options. Southwest Airlines doesn't maintain an official senior discount program, but their flexible fare structure often beats competitors' senior rates, especially if you book on Tuesday afternoons when they typically release new inventory. The phone conversation hack that gets results. Don't simply ask whether they offer senior discounts. Instead, use this specific phrase, "I'd like to book a senior fare for passengers 65 and older." This exact language triggers their reservation system to search for unpublished rates that aren't available through normal booking channels. But even better than discounts are the boarding privileges you never knew you had. Airlines have quietly implemented senior priority boarding policies across the industry, but they don't announce these benefits because it would create longer priority lines and potentially upset premium passengers who pay extra for early boarding access. Most major airlines allow passengers with mobility considerations, including seniors who find the boarding process stressful or physically challenging, to request priority boarding at the gate. You don't need medical documentation or official paperwork. Simply mention during check-in or to gate agents that you need extra boarding time due to age-related mobility concerns. The magic phrase that works is, "I'd like to request pre-boarding assistance due to mobility considerations." Notice that you're not claiming to need wheelchair assistance if you don't actually require it, just requesting accommodation for mobility needs. This approach typically gets you onto the aircraft right after families with small children, well before the general boarding process begins. Now here's how to leverage this into even better treatment. Combine your priority boarding request with this next strategy for maximum benefit. Airlines train their customer service staff to respond, "We're completely full," when passengers ask about upgrades, but senior travelers possess special leverage that most people never realize they can use. During check-in, mention if you experience any discomfort sitting in standard economy seating due to age-related concerns. This might include needing extra legroom for stretching, requiring better back support, or needing aisle access for easier bathroom visits. The key is being honest about legitimate comfort needs rather than exaggerating or making demands. Gate agents possess discretionary authority to relocate seniors to seats with additional legroom, aisle positions for easier access, or even premium economy sections when available. This happens most frequently when you've already checked in for wheelchair assistance or requested priority boarding, because it demonstrates consistent needs rather than opportunistic requests. The psychology behind why this works is fascinating. Gate agents deal with demanding, entitled passengers throughout their shifts. When a polite senior traveler mentions legitimate comfort concerns, they often receive accommodations because they're being reasonable rather than aggressive. It's the difference between asking for help versus demanding special treatment. Here's where things get even more interesting. There's a baggage fee system that airlines desperately hope you never discover. Airlines generate billions in revenue from baggage fees, but senior travelers have multiple pathways to avoid these charges that most people never learn about. Military veterans who are seniors can often get baggage fees waived entirely through most airlines. You'll need to add your veteran status to your frequent flyer profile or mention it during the booking process. Any medical equipment, including CPAP machines, medication cooling containers, or mobility aids, flies free regardless of your regular baggage allowance. And the definition of medical equipment is broader than most travelers realize. Some airlines extend senior companion benefits that include free checked bags for your travel partner, even if they haven't reached senior age themselves. Here's an insider secret that could save you money. If you're traveling with medical supplies, prescription medications requiring temperature control, or any health-related items, mention this when checking bags. Many airlines waive fees for medical necessity items, and the criteria are often more flexible than their published policies suggest. But the most closely guarded secret is this final perk that airlines protect more jealously than anything else. Senior travelers frequently qualify for complimentary airport lounge access through methods that have nothing to do with your ticket class, credit cards, or frequent flyer status. This is the benefit airlines guard most carefully because lounge access represents their most premium service offering. If you need a quiet environment to rest, take medication, or manage health conditions, many airport lounges provide complimentary access for seniors with medical considerations. You simply need to explain your situation to lounge staff members. When flights are delayed or canceled, senior passengers often receive lounge vouchers, meal vouchers, or accommodation assistance before other travelers, especially when you mention mobility or medical considerations. Senior military veterans often qualify for free lounge access through programs they don't even know exist. Contact airline customer service to inquire about veteran benefits beyond just baggage fee waivers. The key phrase that opens doors is, "I'm a senior traveler with medical considerations and I'm wondering about accommodation options during my layover." Notice that you're not demanding access, but asking about available options. You'll be amazed how often they find solutions. Here's the master script that unlocks everything. Don't be demanding or aggressive. Be informative and specific. Try this exact approach. "Hi, I'm 65 and traveling today. I wanted to check what accommodations might be available for senior passengers with mobility considerations." This single sentence opens pathways to wheelchair assistance, priority boarding, seat accommodations, and enhanced customer service solutions. The magic lies in being specific about your age while mentioning accommodations and considerations rather than demanding particular perks. Remember, airline staff encounter entitled passengers constantly. Seniors who are polite, specific, and well-informed receive significantly better treatment than those who complain or make demands. Here's your complete action plan before your next flight. When booking, request wheelchair assistance if you have any mobility concerns whatsoever. 24 hours before departure, call the airline directly to inquire about senior fares and available accommodations. During check-in, mention your age and ask about available senior accommodations. At the gate, politely request priority boarding if needed. If delays occur, ask about senior passenger accommodation options. Don't attempt to claim benefits you don't legitimately need, but absolutely take advantage of the ones that will improve your travel experience. These accommodations exist specifically for travelers like you. The airlines simply hope you won't ask for them. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Have you successfully used senior travel accommodations before? Or have airlines given you the runaround when you tried? Share your experiences in the comments section. Your stories help other senior travelers understand what to expect and how to advocate for themselves. If this video revealed benefits you didn't know existed, hit that like button to help more senior travelers discover these insider secrets. Subscribe for more travel strategies that the industry doesn't want you to know about. I'll see you in the next video with even more ways to travel smarter and save money. Safe travels, everyone!